In this video, I'll show you how to access ChatGPT 4 for free. But first, here's the important update. The old GPT-4 experience is no longer the main free option in ChatGPT today. So what most people really mean now is getting free access to ChatGPT and using the models OpenAI currently makes available on the free tier. OpenAI's Help Center says ChatGPT is free to use, and you can even try it at chatgpt.com before creating an account. That means the easiest way to start for free is simply to open ChatGPT and begin chatting, even before signing in. If you want the full free account experience, create a free ChatGPT account and sign in. Once you do, you can use ChatGPT on the free plan. But OpenAI says the free tier comes with usage limits. Their current free tier FAQ says free users can use certain models only a limited number of times within a 5-hour window. And once that limit is reached, ChatGPT may switch you to a lighter model until the limit resets. Now here's the part that matters most for this topic. If you're specifically looking for the original paid-style GPT-4 access for free, OpenAI's current help pages show that ChatGPT has moved on to newer model options and limits. In other words, there isn't a separate free GPT-4 unlock button. The free path today is to use the current ChatGPT free tier and whatever models OpenAI makes available there at the time. So the real answer is this. Go to ChatGPT, use the free plan, and take advantage of the free usage that OpenAI currently offers. If you hit the usage cap, wait for the reset window, or upgrade if you need more access. OpenAI's Help Center says Plus gives enhanced access compared with the free plan, which is useful if you need higher limits or more consistent availability. Another useful tip is that free users can still do quite a lot. OpenAI's Help Center says GPTs are available to all ChatGPT users for use, although GPT Builder itself is limited to paid plans. So even on the free tier, you may still be able to use public GPTs that are shared with you or publicly available, depending on current access rules and limits. And if you just want to try ChatGPT quickly without committing right away, OpenAI's homepage guide says you can test ChatGPT before making an account. That's probably the fastest free entry point for most people. So if you're asking how to access ChatGPT 4 for free, the modern answer is use ChatGPT's free tier. Understand that model availability has changed over time, and use the free access OpenAI currently provides rather than looking for the older GPT-4 setup specifically. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.